Good day to all. Welcome to Password English Live. In today's lesson, I'm going to discuss what is a simile and I will show you some examples to know more. So what is a simile? Let me define first. A simile is an explicit comparison between two different things using like or as. So let's look at the lines. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. So these two lines have been taken from Sonnet 18, which is written by William Shakespeare. So in the first line, it is an example of simile. Here a direct comparison has been drawn between the poet's friend and summer's day, but not using as or like, but using the word compare instead of as or like. The function of this simile is to describe the lovely qualities of the poet's friends. Let's look at more examples. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd. These three lines have been taken from I wandered lonely as a cloud. In the first line, you can see the example of a simile. As is here the sign, as has been used here the sign of a simile. The poet has used simile in the underlined line. Here, the loneliness of the poet is directly compared to a lone cloud that floats in a blue sky, ever valleys, and the hills by using the word of comparison as. The function of the simile is to make the reader understand the loneliness of the poet. So to know more about simile, you can watch my first video on what is simile and you will get more example on simile. And these examples have been taken from Examination of Non-Government Teachers Registration and Study Guide written by Professor Johurul Islam, Dr. Binoy Barman and Emil Ali. That's all for today. Thank you very much for joining with me.